Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean a hacked WordPress site or to restore a hacked WordPress site. The process is quite simple. We only have 7 steps. These 7 steps will solve more than 90% of the hacking issue. And then except for if your site have a SQL injection. SQL injection is really rare. And then if anyone need help, just comment below. I will make another video for that. Okay, let's proceed. The first step you need to do is download this file, wp-config and the htaccess. In order to do that, you need to use a program called falder. This one is the free program. So you just need to go to your site manager. This one you need to fill in your detail, your host. If you can use IP. The IP address is your server IP address, or the easy way is you just put ftp dot and then your domain name, and then this username and password. This info is in your hosting workout email. So let's proceed. So I go here. You will see a lot of folder here. Everything you need to, every of your file is in the public underscore HTML folder. This one. So for my case, let's say, okay, for my case, I want to clean this site. THY web designer. I want to clean this site. So this one I added as a add-on domain. So the location is here. If your case, if you only use one share hosting account to host only one site, and then your case is here, public underscore HTML. Everything here you just wipe off. And then my case, this site is here. So what we need to do is we need to download this file. You need to download this file, and you need to download the htaccess. These two files just now I already download. That's why the FileZilla asked me to replace. Okay. Then right now we already done the first step. So the second step is you delete everything except the WP folder. Okay. For your info, the WP folder inside there will have your plugin, will have your theme. And then this folder, WP admin, is the core file of WordPress. This one also the core file of WordPress. So everything here also the core file of WordPress. So basically we can delete everything right now. You see, we can delete everything right now and delete the WP admin and WP include as well. After we delete all the WordPress core file, we proceed with the third step. Re-upload the WordPress core file. Okay, so what you need to do is you go to wordpress.origin/download. You download the latest WordPress version here, and then you unzip it, and then you use your FTP program just now to re-upload it. I already stored it in the desktop, this folder. So everything here, we need everything here except this one, WordPress content, because this one we keep our origin. This one is you see, let me show you. This one only have one plugin, but our version we have a lot of plugin that we are using. So we don't need this folder. What you can do is you just click on this folder, you press the delete key of your keyboard, and then here, just now here, you highlight everything and then upload. After you upload everything here, this one, the wp-config sample, you can delete it, and then we can proceed with step number 4. Step number 4 is to re-upload the plugin. Okay, you go back to your FTP program. You click on the WP contents folder. You go to the plugin folder. Okay, this one. So this one, let's say this one, the contact form 7. Okay, the contact form 7. What I need to do right now is I go to google.com. Contact form 7. It will show in the first place. So you need to download it, and then unzip this one and then re-upload it, re-upload it. What I mean is you need to delete everything, not delete the folder, this is very very important. You just go into a folder and then you delete everything, and then you just now the zip file, you unzip it and then you re-upload everything. So this will make sure if have any hacking attempt on any file here, you will be wipe them off completely to ensure the site is 100% safe. So you need to do it one by one. So this one, after you do it for the contact form 7, let's say this one is a JS Composer, is a Visual Composer. You need to repeat this step again for another plugin until all the plugin is clean. And then this file, the index.php file, you can use the just now the wp content inside there also have an index.php file. You just need to replace it. So this is how to replace your plugin. So let's proceed with to step number 5, to re-upload theme. You just go back to wp content, you go into your theme folder, and then you need to know your theme name. Basically you need to know your theme name. And then there's one tricky way to know that. Actually I can show you right now. You just right click on your website, you click on the view page code, then you press the F3 of your browser, you tap theme, you say this one theme Auslan Lite. I'm using Auslan Lite theme, or you can find it in your FTP program here. So the same step, don't delete this folder, very important. You just go into this folder, everything here, because we don't know which file already hacked. So the best way to solve the problem is you highlight everything, you delete them, but your setting will still be stored in the database, so don't worry about that. We just need to replace the file. And then after you delete it, you need to re-upload your theme here again. So this is the 5th step. And then after you done this one, we need to proceed with the next step, step number 6. This one is the most tricky part, it's the most important part. You need to go back to this folder, wp content folder, because most of the hacking attempt, they do it here, sometimes they do it here, sometimes they do it here. Just now all this folder we already clean it, so you don't have to worry. Right now we just have to ensure everything here is clean. So if you see any funny name like I7879 or anything here, you need to delete them. And then the clean folder, the folder hierarchy inside this folder is actually is plugin, theme, upgrade and upload only. Upload will store all your upload file based on the date. You see this one, 2020, January, February, and March. So this one, how to find that is you just say, for example, this one. For my case, I show you that okay, this one in the FileZilla program, you can see the last modified date. This one, last modified date. You just need to find the latest date of the file. Like for example, this one, I click on the theme. You see just now from here is March 5th. All file here is also March 5th. If I have some file here, the date and time is suspicious, that file may be hacked by the hacker. So you need to find all the suspicious file here, and then we can proceed with the last step. The last step is re-upload wp-config and the htaccess that we downloaded in step 1. So right now we go back into, for your case is still public HTML folder. For my case is this one. So right now I need to go back to find the file, this file, htaccess. I upload it, and then the wp-config, I also upload it, and then it's done. So only 7 steps. It's quite straightforward. The most important step is here. Here you might need to spend some time on this one, because every hacking attempt is different, but these 7 steps mostly will solve 90% of the case. Okay, thank you very much.